How to convert a PDF to Word without changing and losing formatting. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF files to editable Word documents while preserving the original formatting. This tutorial guides you through methods using both desktop applications and online tools to ensure accurate conversion. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta head over and find the file, the PDF file that you wish to convert into Word document. For example, this is the file, so you gotta click on it, right click on it, and once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you gotta click on Open With, and here you gotta search for Word 2016. If you're not able to find Word in this list, you gotta click on Choose Another Application, and then you gotta select Word from there. So once you click on Word, it will say Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lots of graphics. So you're gonna click on OK, and now it will create a Word document for you. You can click on Enable Editing here at the top, and then you're gonna click on OK. And once you do so, here you can see that you can edit it. Like you can see, I can edit it. For example, if I want it to be like italic, underlined and bold, like you can see, I can just change it. So that is how you can convert PDF to Word document in one way. The next thing that you can do is simply head over to any of the search engine and open your Google Drive. So once you have opened that, you can simply click on New and select the file, select the PDF file that you wish to convert into Word document. So I'm going to do it real quick. So once you have selected that, here you can see that this is the PDF. So what you need to do is simply you can select this PDF over here. You're going to click on these three dots over here, and here you're going to click on Open With, and then you're going to select Google Docs. So once you click on Google Docs, you will be redirected to the Google Documents, that is the Word of Google. And now you can see that that PDF has been opened in the Word document, and you can simply edit it, and then you can export the file however you want to. So that was how you can convert a PDF document into Word without losing anything. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.